Hello, and welcome to my Week 5 course project presentation, Research Findings Report on IBD in Felines and Canines. So what is IBD? IBD, or inflammatory bowel disease, is a chronic gastrointestinal disorder characterized by inflammation and infiltration of immune cells into the walls of the stomach and/or intestines. Symptoms include chronic vomiting, diarrhea or soft stools, weight loss, decreased appetite, lethargy, and abdominal discomfort. Cats may show more vomiting, while dogs may have more diarrhea. IBD has no known cure, but it can often be managed with special diets, probiotics, B12 injections that support the gut health. Medications such as corticosteroids, immunosuppressants, and sometimes antibiotics are also used to control inflammation and bacterial imbalance. First, we will discuss the affected specific biomolecules. The images on the screen show different types of colitis in dogs. They include lymphocytic, plasmacytic colitis, with many immune cells, a follicular variant, histiocytic colitis with severe tissue damage, and many macrophages, and eosinophilic colitis with high numbers of eosinophils. From these graphs, we can see that nearly all parameters improved significantly from the start of treatment to 30 days later in both groups. The only exception was FOXP3 plus T cells, which did not improve in the CT group. TGF levels increased in both groups, but the rise was much greater in the dogs treated with VSL number 3, highlighting its stronger effect. After treatment, we compared mucosal membranes samples from the probiotic group, the drug therapy group, and healthy controls. We found that some AJC protein levels were significantly different between these groups, and the graphs show these differences with the medians marked by lines. It is important to understand the pathological mechanism of IBD, and in inflammatory bowel disease, the gut's immune system overreacts to normal food or bacteria, which then triggers chronic inflammation and damages the intestinal lining. This damage disrupts the barrier, making the intestine leaky and allowing more antigens and bacteria to enter. Over time, the injured lining can't absorb nutrients properly, leading to weight loss and other clinical signs, as we discussed earlier. Recent research is exploring new ways to manage IBD in dogs and cats. Mesenchymal stem cells, or MSCs, have shown promise by reducing gut inflammation through anti-inflammatory molecules and growth factors, while also supporting repair of the intestinal lining and restoring a healthier gut microbiome. Fecal microbiota transplants, or FMTs, have similarly improved clinical signs in dogs with chronic diarrhea, helping their gut microbiome shift toward healthier donor profiles without significantly having side effects. Building on these advances, personalized approaches that combine lab-grown intestinal tissue testing with microbiome assessments, like the Dysbiosis Index, could allow veterinarians to target both immune dysregulation and microbial imbalance. Together, these strategies suggest the potential for longer-lasting symptom relief with less reliance on traditional medicines like steroids. And here are my references. Thank you.